Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is HP Smart Tank 7605 wireless all-in-one printer, cartridge free printer. You can print, copy, scan and fax with this printer. It's using bottles 31 and 32 extra large. You can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, Ethernet and USB cable. Automatic document feeder, 35-page automatic document feeder. Modern touch interface, smart guided lighting. Fast two-sided printing. Productivity on the app with HP Smart App. Front USB. In terms of the printing speed, 15 print per minute for black and 9 print per minute for color. 12,000 black or 8,000 color pages. You can connect this printer also via Bluetooth Apple AirPrint. This printer is also with 3-inch LED touch screen. Printing technology is Inkjet. Scan resolution 12,000 by 12,000 dpi. Color flatbed scanner. Page format 216 by 297 millimeter. Color depth 24-bit depth. So you can use A4 paper, A6, B6, envelope, DL, C5, C6, etc. And card, you can use Hagaki. Paper tray capacity 250 sheet input and 30 sheet output. In terms of system requirement, this printer is compatible with Windows 7 or later, Mac OS v10.14 Mojave, Mac OS v15. Catalina, Mac OS v11 Big Sur, Mopria certified HP print service plugin. We're going to check this printer out, see what is inside. Setup guide and reference guide. This is the information pack. Ink bottles and accessories are in here. Two extra large, 2 of those included in the packaging. Yellow, cyan, and magenta. Two power cables. One is 3-pin and this one is 2-pin. And another information here. This is ADF, automatic document feeder. This is the scanner. And also you have the print head. Black and triple color included. This is the paper tray. You can extend it, you can adjust it accordingly. This is the paper tray here. You can bring it out. And with this paper thread, can extend it, hold here to extend it. Likewise, you need to hold this side for you to extend it sideways. So you just need to hold this blue clip with spring on it. You just need to hold it to extend it sideways. Then if you want to extend the gasket, you press this down to extend it. Likewise, bring it close. And the document rests on top here. If you want to open this printer, open it up this way. Then you remove the paper. So these are the ink cartridges container, bottle container. So it goes in here. Yellow, magenta, cyan, and the black goes in here. So this is what is in here. And also you have a sticker here. It will also show you yellow, magenta, and cyan 31. K is for black. You also have another sticker on the center. So this is how the inside look. And you switch this printer on and off from this button. This is the front USB port. The back here. At the back, you have the power cable goes in here. USB cable goes in here if you want to connect it with USB cable, and this port is Ethernet, and the power cable goes to on this button here. If you have any paper jam, check for any paper jam and debris just here for you to check for any paper jam and debris, and close it. Now the power cable goes in here to this port. So push the power cable inside it, and it's in. USB cable is not included in the packaging. If you want to connect it hardwired with USB cable, then you need to connect the USB cable to this port. So this is where the USB cable goes, and this part goes to your PC. On top of the USB cable is Ethernet. Plug this printer on to the power, and you can see there showing us a green light. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.